So interplanting is one of my absolute favourite things to do, and I made a video about it actually just a couple of days ago, which you can find by looking in the description today of this video. But what I wanted to do today was just show you probably my all-time favourite interplant, which is strawberries, into which I interplant garlics. And it works so nicely because in autumn you cut your strawberries back, and so you've only really got the heart leaves, and so they don't take up very much space. And of course you've cleared all the runners away and potted those on or just disposed of them, and so you've got a lot of empty space in your bed, and you need that space because those strawberry plants are going to grow way bigger. So they're going to be like this size right when you do the interplant in October, November time, and then they're going to be like this. And it works particularly nicely if you're doing it in one of your early strawberry beds. So I'm doing it in my second early strawberry bed, and that's because I'm going to have a cold frame lid over that from about February time. So it just gives those garlic just a little bit of extra protection early on. And of course the garlic are quite happy because you've got these small strawberry plants, you've got plenty of space in between them. So the garlic do most of their growing when the strawberries are small, and all of their leaf is then above the level of the strawberry. Now strawberries are medium root depth, garlic's quite reasonably shallow, and they don't seem to get in each other's way at all. In fact, I think they do better together. Now I don't really know what the garlic does to help the strawberries, but the strawberries always seem to be great. I think the swaying leaves of the garlic seem to put the birds off, so I never have to net my strawberry beds. Maybe it's the smell, I don't think. I think it's just the leaves waving in the breeze. And yeah, what else? Oh yeah, but the other thing is, of course, you're watering the strawberries, the garlic's benefiting from the water, and the garlic is really well spaced because there's a strawberry plant in the middle of it. So yeah, I think it works great. We always seem to get our best harvest of garlic from the strawberry beds. And to kind of prove or disprove that, let's go and harvest that garlic and see what it's like, and we'll compare it to garlic from some of the other beds. There we go, there's the garlic bed and the strawberries, and you can see both of them looking fine, nice and healthy. The strawberries have been absolutely fantastic. Now there is a handful of the garlic that didn't germinate, and so that was replanted in February time with smaller sort of discarded cloves that we'd got kicking around. And I don't generally recommend you pull the garlic out, but I have sort of pre-loosened it with a fork just so that I can make this video. So I think that's a pretty nice bulb. Yep. That's pretty nice. I didn't really do anything special in preparing this bed, just a little bit of bloodfish and bone, not too much because the strawberries don't want too much, and we don't mind a few small bulbs because the small ones are the ones we're going to use for our green garlic crop, and green garlic doesn't really mind the size of the bulb to start with. I'm really pleased with these. Maybe they could even have stayed in the ground just a little bit longer, but they've got a bit of rust on the leaves now, so I don't think there's much point. I don't really think they're going to do much more growing from this point onwards. So I'm going to leave you now. I'm just going to finish pulling these and then we'll do a comparison. That's 24 garlic bulbs. Those are the ones that got planted later on in the year. Quite a few of those are still mono bulbs, so they'll work great as green garlic for next year. And then these are ones that were also harvested from a couple of strawberry beds on Debbie's plot. So again, you can see good sizes for quite a lot of them, just a few small ones, but generally speaking, pretty good. What you have to bear in mind is all this garlic though is all bonus. So we didn't do anything to reduce the density in the strawberry bed. It's the existing optimum density for max yield of good strawberries, and we still managed to get, I don't know, 60 garlic bulbs out of those beds. This is garlic that was grown without any interplants, so I really can't see very much difference. There's some smaller ones at this end between the two. So I think that is a win-win. So I hope you like this quick video. I do have a little ebook. I've got a guide to growing strawberries in that ebook, and I've got a guide to growing alliums all year round in that ebook that also covers garlic. And over time I'll be adding special separate sections for all of the different veggies and how we grow them here. And the ebook is free, but you're free to donate if you like it and you would like to keep a development going at a pace. So my name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.